Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily invite people in Quire, I don't know how to read that. So what you want to do is when you're here, click on the task, and then you're gonna see add assignee. And what you want to do is just simply write assignee right here and invite people like that. And this is how you actually do it. It's that easy. It's really simple. So again, done, click here, add assignee, invite members, and you just invite members here. Invite, and this is how you do it. So done. Thank you very much everybody, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.